Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best blind spot detector is probably one of the most important safety features you can add to your car, significantly reducing the risk of accidents caused by blind spots. This system uses sensors and indicators to alert you to vehicles in your blind spots, providing an extra layer of protection and peace of mind on the road, especially during lane changes and merges in heavy traffic. We will explore what makes a great blind spot detection system and help you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget. Number 5. Ford F-150 Heated Side Mirror. This mirror is a direct replacement for your broken or damaged passenger side mirror. It offers improved visibility and enhanced safety on the road. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150. The precise fit ensures easy installation and optimal performance. Made from premium materials, it provides crystal clear visibility and long-lasting durability. Enjoy a safer driving experience. Installation is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Simply unplug the wiring harness, attach it to the new mirror, and you're done. We stand behind our product. Purchase with confidence, knowing you're covered by our 24-month warranty. What we like. It's a heated mirror, designed to be a direct replacement for your Ford F-150. The 24-month warranty provides peace of mind. If you own a Ford F-150 and need a reliable replacement mirror, this is a great option, offering both quality and assurance. What people say. Easy to install, replaced my mirror that was hit by oncoming driver back to factory or OEM look. Took the old broken one out and popped the new one in. Look identical to the OEM one. Great product. Fits perfectly and is very easy to install. Number 4. Toyota Mirror Glass Replacement. Don't let a broken mirror compromise your safety. Replacing it is easy and affordable. This high-quality mirror glass is designed as a direct replacement for your damaged one. It's a perfect fit for many Toyota models. It seamlessly integrates with your existing blind spot detection system, ensuring optimal functionality. Installation is straightforward. Simply unplug the wiring harness from your old backing plate and plug it into the new one. It offers the same quality, fit, and function as the original equipment, at a significantly lower cost. Get your mirror replaced at a fraction of the dealer's price. It's a smart and cost-effective solution. What we like. This mirror boasts blind spot detection and a heating function for enhanced safety and visibility. Installation is straightforward. If you prioritize safety features and ease of installation, this is the mirror for you. What people say. Installed this in 15 minutes. If you have pliers and shrink wrap, it helps for some of the connections like the heated mirror cables, but technically you can do it with no tools. Blind spot detection light works. Good quality and fitment. Easy install. Easy to install. Perfect fit. Number 3. Toyota Tundra Sequoia Mirror. This driver side mirror is designed for 2008 to 2017 Toyota Sequoias and 2007 to 2020 Toyota Tundras. Check the photos and details to confirm it's the right fit for your vehicle. It features a convenient heating function to keep your vision clear, even in rain or snow. This ensures safer driving conditions. It's a direct replacement, built with high-quality ABS plastic and glass. It meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer standards for a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward. It uses the same mounting points as your old mirror and connects to your existing wiring harness. This mirror includes a turn signal indicator and blind spot detection system for enhanced safety. It's a 7-pin platinum version. We stand behind our product with a 24-month warranty. Contact us immediately if you experience any issues, we'll resolve them promptly. What we like. It's not only heated but also includes a turn signal indicator, adding extra safety. The durable construction ensures longevity. If you need a robust and feature-rich replacement for your Toyota Tundra or Sequoia, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Installation was fairly easy and it was a direct fit. Auto mirror adjustment, mirror folds in and out, and turn signal indicator all work. Perfect fit, fully functional, easy to install in less than 5 minutes, and it's just like a factory part. Number 2. Toyota Heated Mirror Glass. Is your Toyota's passenger side mirror damaged? Replacing it is easy and affordable with this high-quality replacement glass. Get your mirror looking like new again. This mirror glass is designed for a simple installation. Just unplug the wiring harness from your old backing plate and plug it into the new one. It's that easy. It's compatible with Toyota's blind spot detection system. This ensures that your safety features remain fully functional after the replacement. This replacement mirror glass matches the fit and function of your original equipment. You'll get the same quality at a fraction of the dealer price. Don't overpay at the dealership. This replacement glass provides the same quality at a significantly lower cost. Get the repair you need without breaking the bank. This mirror glass is specifically designed for select Toyota models, including the 4Runner, RAV4, and Tacoma. Ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration. What we like. This heated mirror offers blind spot detection and matches the original equipment quality. It's a cost-effective solution. If you're looking for a high-quality, affordable replacement for your Toyota 4Runner, RAV4, or Tacoma, this is it. What people say. Fits the passenger side of a RAV4 2021 perfectly. Defroster works and blind spot monitoring light works great. This replacement mirror fits my third-generation Toyota Tacoma with TSS blind spot monitoring. The features work as described. Perfect fit for my 2017 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Easy to install. Number 1. Fit System Silverado Sierra Mirror Glass. Don't let a broken mirror ruin your day. Replacing it is easy and affordable with this direct replacement part. This mirror glass is designed to work with your existing blind spot detection system. It's a perfect fit and maintains all your safety features. Installation is simple with step-by-step instructions. You'll have your mirror working again in no time. This mirror glass is made specifically for your Silverado or Sierra 1500. It's a perfect, worry-free replacement. Get a high-quality replacement mirror at a fraction of the dealer's price. It's the smart and cost-effective solution. Simply unplug the wiring harness from your old backing plate, plug it into the new one, and follow the easy instructions. What we like. This mirror is designed for a perfect fit and includes easy-to-follow instructions. It's specifically designed for your Silverado Sierra 1500. If you value a precise fit and straightforward installation, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fits just like OEM, but much cheaper. This fit my 2020 Silverado. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. Perfect fit and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.